In this video, I will show you how you can add a clickable link or button to your Canva designs, especially if you're working with a PDF file and want to link something inside it. First, search for PDFs in Canva and choose one of the suggested templates. For example, selecting a design and opening a landscape photography PDF, keeping in mind that in a real project, you'd already have your own document ready. Once inside the design, create your content. Go to the text option, add your text such as a call to action, customize the font, position it properly, then head to Effects and add a background to the text so it looks like a button by adjusting the roundness, spread, size, and colors to match your design. After your button is ready, select the text, click the link icon that appears, and paste the URL you want to redirect to, such as an affiliate product link, then press Enter to apply it. To test it, download the file as a standard PDF, open it, scroll to the button, and click it to confirm that it redirects correctly to the destination link.